People though now welcome back. Oh, they say story this, so they finish. They finish completely, my people. As soon as hear this matter, as soon as know and so now they see this one our actress Tonto Dike and her ex-husband Olakunle Churchill and EPA Rosie More. My people, as soon as they hear the story, so this her husband some time ago. Una know Tonto Dike be talk some time ago for 2017 say. This her ex-husband Churchill they sleep with in PA actress Rosie More. Say he they buy her gift, say he they take her go on trips, and he be even go up to the extent for talk say Rosie now one of the reasons the way her marriage failed, where it don't finally lead to divorce. He talk say now Rosie be one of the people that they did back where her husband be they cheat on. Those people they begin they claim say they love her, but way they no love her, but way they cheat on her husband and chop her husband money. Where he make her say her husband with them they separate. Una no say Tonto Dike and his ex-husband Churchill they get one pikin when at this handsome bobo when at the see way he done the parade and the whole place he remain with the pikin. That time where Tonto Dike be move her for outside, he be move pictures them how this man be they beat him. He be move pictures, move proofs, but move this one say now he spend money, now he organize money, they bring me receipt. Now know the stories and now my people will see all kind thing. That we see all kind thing where that girl talk, actress Nollywood Tonto Dike. He talk say now ye begin dey sponsor marriage, say na ye because say she be love her ex-husband, because say she no be want say me her marriage be some kind war kind way where just dey like like Popeye own now she carry spend her money so that make the marriage look luxurious. My people, they can't born this pikin one at this yam, but still yet it talk say domestic violence be they say that the punch am who be believe no man no be believe. Oh my people, no man no be believe say this man so be feed actually it dey beat our Nollywood actress Tonto Dike. She be even come out, she talk say this man so na 40 seconds man, say the highest sex she don't enjoy with the man na 40 seconds. So say 1 2 as the man just enter, so everywhere don't burst. Na people make fun, people even sing song with this matter, say Churchill na 40 seconds man, no 40 seconds man. But wait till they be married, my people, una know na, una be facing happiness, una be facing joy, una know na marital issues and this. So when people they prepare for marriage, that's so everything they sweet, my people. You the only think now how happily ever after. You did think how finally you don't become a married woman. You did think how finally your dream don't come true. Una know na how joy day. Na so people they celebrate that day na your day. Na so this our actress begin to feel is swag that day for her marriage with her ex-husband. Yes, now so everywhere they don't go this place, they don't show we pictures. They're happy. Una know some of these people they show for outside say everything they find, but for inside her say my people no be so day. Now so this girl begin they show for outside when she be just married. She show pictures, vacation, trips and everywhere. Say they so love the sweet, but way for inside it no be the easy as the way she be the talk. Now from this matter where this man don't come portray them as soon as know. Yesterday will be 15th of February. Now it be there Rosie More in birthday, my people. Now in this, so for this video, we remember very well. Now time where Tonto Dike be talk say, now she be one of the reasons the way her husband Churchill and their married no work. She come off outside. She say people the way they talk say she they sleep with Tonto Dike ex-husband no be true. It they like you the ask person say it they sleep with him brother, my people. He say because say Churchill they like her elder brother. Say Churchill dey so Churchill na some kind person. Una know he give the man all kind names. He talks say the man na good man, the man na responsible man. He like the way the man they behave. Say he know say I see they work for Churchill Foundation, so he go become somebody tomorrow. He denied the allegation, my people, but shockingly, yesterday, 15th of February, for him birthday message where Churchill he give am for this Rosie, my sister, he call am say Mrs. Churchill, that is he don't married the girl. Finally, they say there is nothing hidden under the sun. Una see na this same girl where he be comot, he talk say if you are saying I am sleeping with my Churchill, it is my elder brother. He's like my elder brother. It's like telling somebody. Una know now in this now she dey flaunt her ring. Say make una see she don't marry. Finally she be Mrs. Churchill. Finally she be Mrs. Churchill. Finally don't come out. Una remember that time where all this matter become now will be talk say Tonto Dike so he dey lie. Tonto Dike so maybe na drugs, because what they no talk, they accuse her for a lot of things. They say she dey drug herself, she dey take cigar. We talk all kinds of say her now only marry be the hungry, and so now when she waka talk so say she call this girl name, but the girl can talk say no, she not get anything for do with them. Boy say she no fit get anything for do with Churchill because in her elder brother. Now in this now you don't marry your elder brother and my sister. Actress Rosie, answer my question. You don't marry your elder brother, so now when you done the jogodo with your elder brother, so how it dey? Una see she dey flaunt her ring mouth, they see am. Now so the matter come dey. This matter don't rise a lot of people. A lot of matter people don't talk say that Tonto Dike all thing where she begin they talk na true. Say this girl they so she dey pretend. This girl they so na she na yin cause Tonto Dike married scatter. This girl they so she dey over lie. This girl they so she done dey pretend since she done the eye Tonto Dike husband since she done the jogodo with Tonto Dike husband since where he dey talk. And I remember say Tonto Dike be married for 2015, and for 2017 now they begin all that saga way. 2017 now same 2017 where Tonto Dike be bring this matter. So from 2017 to 2021 our married on the sote rumors get and say actress Rosie Moore is expecting her first child with Churchill, my people. The matter serious now, so una know they done the flaunt, but then now she was yesterday was her birthday, 15th of February. Now so they done the flaunt romantic pictures, they show them, so people they start to write, they post things them my people, and even them they post them like this why we say Olakunle Churchill talk say a special sunrise on this precious day. A great woman was born during my hard times when depression would have taken the better side of me. You were there for me. Una know na in this even the Churchill to the flaunt he ring my people. He said this woman when he married them, he don't stand for you when the whole world be there against you. He stand with you. When I see the Rosie Moore say, I appreciate you, I value you. When I know now that kind of story for romantic. My people, we go love, we go love. Now the matter where they up now, my people. Now I say my run, bring her for una tomorrow na see am. Mona see how they show the pictures. The Mona see 112 post it. Now you the Instagram. Now my people don't post everywhere. Say Tonto Dike begin. Actually the talk through. Say Rosie Moore. So now you the one spoil her home. And Olakunle Churchill don't bring her for broad daylight. For we all were front. Me will see and say he don't marry Rosie Moore, and Rosie Moore and Mrs. Churchill. So my people, we get the latest couple we will know about her as of now. Mr. and Mrs. Churchill, una see they don't the flaunt. His flaunt is say see, he the great now. Una know how you just married, they put you ring for her now. You the great now with the ring. Me will see. We don't see Papa. We don't see the ring. Now say more bring them. Me una see and to my people. Una leave una comment for comment section there. Una tell me what you think about this whole thing. I go leave videos and two the video where it the flaunt where it the show we I go leave the one way Rosie the talk about. I go leave the one. In fact, my people, I go leave am on and watch am. I no get plenty story for talk. Yes, the matter just the hot now. See my run bring her for una mona. See mona tell me what to think about the video. As of now, I go leave una my people. I see you next time. But before I want go more, like, subscribe, and watch the video till the end. Ciao.
It's irritating to the ears. It's just like saying, are you sleeping with your brother? Like I said again, and I repeat myself, this is someone that he's a mentor to me. This is someone I look up to. His person, he has a very good heart. There's no one that wouldn't want to be identified with someone that has a good heart, someone that gives a helping hand. Me, I'm very certain that being managed and being under Big Church Group Foundation, I'm very sure of a very bright future, which I'm going to say, I really have nothing to say about this because it's really irrelevant to me. They're in peace. They're happy. I don't know about what you people are saying, but you guys should get your facts straight before bringing things out. It's really not relevant to me. I'm not going to say much about it until never. No, I'm not saying much about it.